Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best panini presses that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Panini Press Gourmet Sandwich Maker. Anything with gourmet in the title is sure to attract those who consider their sandwiches a step or two higher than your average white bread and filling variety. That being said, it's still an affordable option, and an awesome choice for anybody who needs a quick sandwich fix on the go. This doesn't need to be solely paninis, either, and you'll be able to grill any kind of sandwich you like with the floating press lid. The cool-to-touch handle ensures safety, which is perfect for groggy, early morning sandwich making. The whole thing just looks stylish, too. Hamilton Beach Panini Press Gourmet will fit comfortably into any kitchen, and can stand upright when you're not using it to save space around the countertops. It cooks quickly, ensuring any lingering hunger will be quickly dealt with. While there's no built-in timer, we can just about look past that. We're sure you won't be walking away from this good-looking grill for too long, anyway. If you need to upgrade your kitchen appliances, check out our guide to the best air fryers. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cuisinart GR5B Series Griddler 5 Panini Press. The Cuisinart GR5B Series Griddler 5 comes at an affordable price, while still being packed full of cool features such as an adjustable temperature and LCD display to give you the best panini pressing experience possible. It's fast cooking for a variety of meals, not just panini, and the open mode feature solves the extra indoor grill space, ensuring everything cooks evenly all at the same time. The non-stick plates save you lots of time and effort and ensures your griddler remains as effective as the day you bought it. Unlike some models you'll find, it has removable plates, which make cleaning as easy as it can be. We all know how much hassle that can be, especially after being satisfactorily satiated, so this could tip the grill in your favor. Put this all together and you're getting perhaps the best panini press you can buy. At number 3, we have the Breville Duo 1500-watt non-stick panini press. Breville's Panini Duo comes with non-stick and scratch-resistant cooking surface for some of the best and cleanest sandwich making you can find. The flat-bottomed plate offers something a little different to other grills, and while you won't get the classic grill lines on both sides, you will get even grilling. With sandwiches, and any food, really, we're sure you'll take substance over style every time. There's so much more to it than this, though, and you needn't feel restricted to sandwiches alone. The versatile design means it's perfect for grilling all kinds of food effectively and with ease. The grill plates aren't removable, but they're large enough so that this isn't an issue at all, and unlike some grills, there's no lingering odor after cleaning. So yeah, it's basically a brilliant high-range panini machine that's sure to serve you up a storm for years and years to come. While preparing those yummy breakfasts, we recommend you use one of the juicers from our list and prepare a juice to go with the meal. At number 2, we have the George Foreman 2-serving classic plate grill and panini press. The best panini maker when it comes to value, this George Foreman 2-serving classic plate grill and panini press might not have the same features as its a slightly larger older brother, but still offers enough to make it an effective addition to any kitchen. It has a tough and durable non-stick coating for fast, efficient cleanup and maintaining straightforward cooking, and the exclusive sloped surface reduces fat and grease to deliver a meal that's likely to be healthier than a quick lunchtime run to the fast food place. Even though it's smaller than other grills, it still offers enough space to cook 2 generous servings. This size also works in its favor, as it's easy to store and transport when you move house, so you'll never lament leaving your favorite grill behind. Unfortunately, the plates aren't removable, so be sure to clean as you grill, otherwise, you won't get the full benefits of this useful little machine. For more useful kitchen appliances, check out our guide to the best slow cookers. And finally at number 1, we have the Hamilton Beach Panini Press Sandwich Maker. If you're looking for a reliable and wholly dedicated panini toaster, The Hamilton Beach Panini Press Sandwich Maker is a perfect mid-range option. While the name is just a tad misleading, it won't make the sandwiches for you. It's still a quality product that ensures you'll be eating paninis just like those you've seen at your favorite coffee house, but all in the comfort of your own home. The floating lid provides the perfect even grilling, working with a variety of sandwich thicknesses while power and preheat lights help you along your way to sandwich grilling mastery. It's also not complicated to use, because confusing instructions when you just want a sandwich is the last thing you need. The plates aren't removable, though, but as long as you keep an eye out for any rogue melted cheese or grease making a break for it, you shouldn't have any issues keeping it clean. A cool smart kitchen gadget everyone should own. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.